Hey there. In today's video, I'll show you how to use the debugger in VS Code step by step. First, open the file that contains the code you want to debug. For this walkthrough, I'm using a simple JavaScript file which VS Code supports out of the box. Next, you need to set a breakpoint. Click in the gutter to the left of the line number where you want execution to pause. A red filled circle appears in the margin. You can set multiple breakpoints at different lines if you need to. Now open the Run and Debug view. Click the debugging icon in the sidebar. It looks like a play button with a bug. The Run and Debug view opens, showing all your debugging information. To start debugging, press F5. A list of available debuggers appears. Select the Node.js option for JavaScript files. The debugger attaches and your program starts running. You'll see several changes happen at once. The debug console panel appears at the bottom, showing debugging output. The status bar at the bottom of the window changes color to orange, and the debug toolbar appears at the top. Your program runs until it hits the first breakpoint you set. Once execution pauses at your breakpoint, the line is highlighted in yellow. This highlighted line hasn't been run yet. It's the next line that will execute. In the left sidebar, the variables panel shows the current values of all variables in scope. You can expand data structures to see their contents. Now you can step through your code using the debug toolbar at the top. Click Step Over or press F10 to execute the current line and move to the next one. If you want to step into a function call, press F11. To continue running until the next breakpoint, press F5 again. In the variables panel, you can actually modify variable values during the session if you need to test different scenarios. Just click on a value and type a new one. The debug console at the bottom lets you evaluate any expression in the current scope. Type an expression and press Enter. To see the result, it's useful for quickly checking values without adding them to the watch panel. When you're done debugging, stop the session by clicking the red square button in the debug toolbar or pressing Shift plus F5. The toolbar disappears and the status bar returns to its normal color. Couple of quick tips. You can remove breakpoints by clicking on them again in the gutter, or leave them in place for next time. If you want to temporarily disable a breakpoint without removing it, you can toggle it off. Disabled breakpoints show as a filled gray circle instead of red. Remember that the yellow highlighted line at a breakpoint hasn't executed yet. It's about to execute when you step forward. And if you're stepping through code frequently, the keyboard shortcuts I mentioned will save you a lot of time over clicking the toolbar buttons. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.